Imagine you are making a big decision, like buying a home or choosing a new career path. You are looking for reliable information, not just flowery language or grand declarations. The same goes for selecting the right private school for your child. Unrealistic school promises often sound like broad, sweeping statements about universal success, guaranteed outcomes, or effortless achievement without any specific details to back them up. The core reason these promises are red flags is that education is a complex and highly individualized journey. No reputable institution can truthfully guarantee that every single student will achieve the exact same level of success or gain admission to a specific university, regardless of individual effort or aptitude. Such claims often gloss over the critical roles of student engagement, family support, and genuine personal fit. These statements often prey on parental aspirations rather than providing transparent and achievable educational goals. To identify these types of promises, listen for phrases that lack specific data or measurable results. For example, be wary of statements like, "Every student here goes on to a top university," or "Your child will effortlessly excel in all subjects," or "We guarantee your child will be happy and successful." Pay close attention to marketing materials or conversations that use absolute terms such as always, every, or guaranteed without, providing any context, statistics, or pathways for how these outcomes are consistently achieved. A school should be able to articulate how they support students, not just what they expect as a universal result. A key indicator of an unrealistic promise is the absence of what educators call a clear value proposition. This means the school is not clearly defining the specific services, programs, or unique teaching methodologies it offers that directly lead to stated outcomes. Instead, it relies on vague aspirational language. For instance, rather than saying "We offer a robust STEM program with advanced robotics and coding opportunities," an unrealistic promise might simply declare "We build innovators of tomorrow." Ultimately, recognizing these vague assurances helps you make a truly informed choice. By focusing on concrete programs, student support systems, and transparent data, you can choose a private school that aligns with your child's needs and provides a realistic path for their growth and success, rather than one built on grand but empty declarations.